Sharjah Islamic Bank Watani Prepaid Card App. The pros, the cons. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your money digitally in the WO, the Sharjah Islamic Bank Watani Prepaid Card App might catch your eye. But how well does it actually deliver? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming prepaid cards are limited. With the Watani app, you can load funds, track spending, and pay for online or in-store purchases without a full bank account. This makes it perfect for students, travelers, or anyone wanting to separate everyday spending from savings. Another advantage is control. The app allows you to monitor transactions in real time, set spending limits, and even lock your card instantly if it's lost or stolen. You also get SMS and email alerts for every transaction, giving you full visibility over your finances. However, there are cons. Some users report that transferring funds to and from the card can be slower than expected, and certain international merchants may not accept the card. Additionally, the app's interface, all functional, could be more intuitive, especially for first-time users navigating digital banking. In conclusion, the Sharjah Islamic Bank Watani Prepaid Card App is a solid tool for digital money management. The surprising truth is that while it offers convenience and control, it's best suited for everyday spending and budgeting rather than large or complex financial transactions. For those looking for a simple, secure, and Sharia-compliant prepaid solution, this app provides a practical option, but keep its limitations in mind when planning major payments or international purchases.